In this video, I'm going to teach you how to draw Fibonacci channel and also explain the basic of Fibonacci channel. So basically you can start. So first of all, as you can see, you need to display a graph for example. So you can go to the tools and choose for Fibonacci channel. So basically you can just make it flavored if you want to use it more often. So after that, you need to point 3 points, 1, 2 and 3. 1 and 2, let me show. So basically this is point 1 around this area lah. So this is point 2 and also this is point 3. So basically point 1 and point 2 is we need to draw a trend line, and point 3 is the top of the trend line. So let's start. So first draw at point 1. So basically I take this point and point 2. So I will show you if the graph extends to only this area, so I can join point 1 and point 2. Wait. So basically start again. Point 1, point 2, and we extend to the highest of the point 3. So basically this is your Fibonacci chart. And how to trade Fibonacci chart, I will use ChatGPT to explain. So basically explain Fibonacci chart in 50 words. So basically Fibonacci chart is a technical analysis tool that identifies the potential support and resistance. Remember these two words, support and resistance. It created by drawing parallel lines based on Fibonacci ratio to project possible price movement in uptrend or downtrend. So basically each of these lines will show support or resistance. Shows support or resistance. So for example, at this gray area, if the price remain at this area and it touches the support and resistance, you need to take profit lah, because it achieve a support resistance area. And if you break through this area, you need to make your strategy. You need to take profit or even cut loss. As you can see, if we move up from the region, you need to take profit or cut loss. And it also applies to other lines such as the red color line, orange, green, and also teal color line. So basically when this graph is moving downwards, when it breaks through this line, it shows support. After that, when it comes to this area, it shows a breakthrough movement. So means that we need to make our strategy to either cut loss or take profit, and we need to plan for our strategy. And as you can see at this area, it touches the support and resistance line and it will bounce back. And if we break out from the region, it will make a reversal trend out of the region. So basically that's how you can use Fibonacci chart. As remember, Fibonacci chart shows support and resistance. Support and resistance, remember. And also I just will try out ChatGPT to help me to plan my. I need to take a full photo. So basically, let's draw back. So basically I'll ask ChatGPT to help me to analyze screenshot. and sure they are using the newest version 4.0. Help me to analyze the graph for Fibonacci channel and make relevant strategy. So basically you can ask ChatGPT to customize your strategy. So based on the finding, as you can see, it helped to make entry point, target, stop loss, or even others point based on the Fibonacci. As you can see, they provide support level, resistance level for the Fibonacci chart. So yeah, basically that's all how you can trade using Fibonacci, and you can plan and remember to define your Fibonacci chart before you trade. Thank you.